Hello, hello, beautiful babes. It is Monday, January the 3rd, 3 days into January. How are you feeling? Listen, after a fun weekend, y'all, I'm ready to get myself together. So today, this is a beauty maintenance vlog kind of situation going on today because I just want to share with you how my day is getting started and what I am actually doing today to reset this body back. Okay, y'all, there's no sponsorships in here. I'm just letting you know for real, all the real what's getting ready to go down today. And y'all may recall I did get sponsored by this brand a long time ago, but I've continued to use one of their products, and that product is this right here. Yes, indeed, this is the Bellway super fiber fruit, and I have been using this since that time because your girl has to get her help when it comes to taking care of this body and making sure everything is cleansed out. Okay, and since I'm starting my journey, or have started my journey on getting a lot more healthier, trying to do the right thing by this old body of mine, this really helps out. Now, fiber is important, and I'm going to explain to you the reason why your girl takes this fiber, and I'm gonna go ahead and mix up mine right here. So first, let me tell you, right now I just get mine off of Amazon. These are the 3 flavors that they have. Now I am using right now the mixed berry. They also have the lemon lime and the raspberry lemon. So this is great to kick off my morning with. It's designed to leave you feeling good to the core because it's helping to keep things flowing, if you know what I mean. It's a sugar-free prebiotic supplement, and it is created with organic psyllium husk powder, and that's just a gentle fiber that is formulated to actually improve your digestion and promote better overall gut health and heart health. And it doesn't make your stomach gripe, which is great. But if you're dealing with bloating, if you're dealing with constipation, fiber is a great way to kick off your day in order that you can get on a more normal schedule of going to the bathroom and relieving yourself. It's just as simple as this. I just take the little scooper that's inside of here. I scoop out just 1 rounded scoop of the fiber powder. I put it into 8 ounces of warm water for me. You can use it cool or not too cold, not too hot, just warm water. And I stir it vigorously to make sure that it blends out pretty well. So you'll have to pretty much adjust it to your liking. Some people are really texture driven, so I like mine kind of thinned out a little bit, so I do blend it up pretty good, and I just chug it down, no hesitation. I drink it right away. And the benefits of this, right on the container: you have a happy gut, you get smooth bathroom moves, less bloating, skin clear, healthy hair, improved heart health, and you feel fuller right away. So that's why I take it in the morning, because it's just a great way to start the day off, and then also get something in my system until I decide on what I am going to eat for the day. And with my new day-to-day regimen, this works out fine, which I'll be letting you know more about what I'm doing in order to help with weight loss. That is coming up soon in a video, so you'll have that in hand. But I just wanted to share this tidbit with you on getting my day started. But check it out right on Amazon, and like I said, it's a great way to get your fiber intake and help your gut out at the same time. Every morning now I get up and I set up me at least 6 bottles of water, because every day, and I know I've mentioned this in previous videos, if not here on this channel, I'm pretty sure on my other channels, that I'm definitely trying to make sure I drink at least 98 ounces of water per day. I am on, again, my serious journey. I've been doing this now probably for about a month. I think going on a month right about now. I may not always hit that number, but I'm definitely focused on trying to get this done. So each bottle, of course, is 16 ounces or thereabouts. What is it? Oh wow, a little bit over 16 ounces. So 6 bottles of water is just perfect for my mission. So this is a little bit over 16 ounces. 16.9 is actually what's in there. So chugging it down. Usually I try to start as early as possible, because if I don't, then I'm up all night going to the bathroom, because you're going to flush your system for sure. So water is so important. In drinking water, it's so important. It helps to kind of curb my appetite, but most importantly, did you know that water helps to lubricate your joints? It helps form saliva and mucus. This is how you digest your food, so that's important. It keeps your mouth clean. It delivers oxygen throughout the body. And not only that, what we talk about all the time, your skin health. It boosts your skin health and beauty. And it also helps to cushion your brain, your spinal cord, and other sensitive tissues. It helps to regulate your body temperature. So these things are super important, and you know, our digestive system actually depends upon it. And when it comes to flushing out body waste, the sweating and removal of urine and feces, water is needed. It helps to maintain your blood pressure, so important. Your airways need it. When you're dehydrated, your airways are restricted, so the body can't function properly. It also helps to make the minerals and vitamins and nutrients that you intake dissolve. And that's what makes them able to reach different parts of your body. And for sure, it helps to prevent kidney damage and boost your performance if you're exercising, dancing, or whatever you're doing. And the other thing, if I'm trying to lose weight, quite naturally, water helps in that process, because if I consume water instead of sweetened juices and sodas, that's going to help prevent overeating and overconsumption of things that I don't need. And that's what's important right now. So water, water, water all day long. I even have my Echo Dots Alexa set up for them to tell me to drink my water every single hour that I need to. So it's important, so important. And now, just getting myself back together, you know I gotta stay on top of my vitamins. That's the other thing. Without vitamins, girl, what? You gotta have them. I use 4 different kind right now, because these also include some of the things that I do need in them, which is B12, you know, just to give me that energy boost. For your immune system, oh my God, don't we need something for our immune system? I got my youth boost in place of olive oil. We'll talk about it on an upcoming video. I told you all about the sea moss, and now I have my maca. Yes, maca. Girl, we're going to talk about it, and definitely we will. And yes, finally getting to the bath to reset my body. It's got to be all about the Epsom salt. If you don't know about Epsom salt, you need to check out my channel, Beauty by Sweet Angel. I'll give you all the details on an amazing Epsom salt bath. That's right, because you know, when it comes to Epsom salt, which is simply magnesium sulfate, your body is going to thank you. Yes, soaking in warm water and an Epsom salt bath, if you're dealing with muscle pain, body aches, your pores need cleaning out, and your body needs detoxifying, this is it. Just sit back, relax, enjoy yourself, and my goodness, you're going to be glad you did. You're going to be rejuvenated, y'all. I'm going to tell y'all about it over there on Beauty. We're going to get into more details about Epsom salt. But this is it, beautiful babes. This is how I reset my body. And this is how I'm resetting my body for this new year and getting started with all the things that I have on my plate. And it's 2022. We're going to do this. We're going to do it big. And I want to thank y'all for hanging out with me today. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed today's video, got some good information out of it, found out how I reset. Yes, please drop a like on this video. Please share it with a friend and tell everybody where you're hanging out right here right here with your girl Sweet Angel on Sugarfingers. And I want you to remember one thing. Yes, keep your hair, your face, your hands, and your feet looking gorgeous. I'll see you on the next video, beautiful babes. Bye-bye.